Ah, yes, the Swiss Rösti, the star of episode 3 of NATO's potatoes. The Swiss golden crown of crispy, starchy glory. Not quite a pancake, definitely not a hash brown, but rather a potato's final form. First, summon 4 large russet potatoes, or just 4 of those cheap ones at Aldi, the kind that look like they've seen things. Peel them like you're unveiling a treasure. Now grate them, yes, by hand. Feel the burn. That's tradition whispering through your triceps. Place your shredded spuds into a clean kitchen towel. And now ring. Ring like those potatoes just gossiped about your cardio day playlist. Squeeze out every drop of liquid regret. Or if your cat just decided to park their ass on your clean kitchen towel, then squeeze with your hands. The potatoes, not the cat. Into a bowl of glorious potato fluff, add 1 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of pepper. That's it. No eggs, no flour. Just potatoes seasoned like a minimalist dream. Don't try to get all fancy and use ghee. Melt some bloody butter in the micro and pour that over it. Then mix. Now scoop that potato mountain into the pan and flatten gently. Not too thin, not too thick. Cook for 6 to 8 minutes on low heat until the bottom's all crispy and golden like a summer in Zurich. Flip, either bravely with a spatula or recklessly with a plate flip maneuver. Choose your fighter. Cook the other side until it too is a crispal disc of potato wizardry. Maybe add a touch more butter because you deserve joy. Slide it onto a plate, top with a poached egg, smoked salmon, or just whisper sweet nothings to it. I messed up my poached eggs, so get a recipe elsewhere for that. I had to fry up some eggs and even messed those up, so check out Jamie Oliver's channel or something. Ah yes, the sauce, the glue that holds our dreams together. Not literally glue though, please don't use glue. Use this instead. Into a bowl we add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard because plain mustard just wasn't born for this kind of greatness. Then a teaspoon of honey, sweet enough to charm your in-laws but not so sweet that it becomes syrup, unless you like it sweet, in which case you rebel, add more. Next up, in a separate bowl, add 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar or lemon juice, whichever screams "I'm fancy" louder from your fridge. Now add a teaspoon and a half of dried dill to that and let the dill rehydrate for 10 minutes. This is the moment where your sauce goes from meh to I own a Scandinavian bistro now. Now mix the dill and white wine vinegar mix with the other bowl and drizzle in 4 tablespoons of oil, grapeseed, sunflower or olive. Just make sure it's not motor oil. That's for the car. Finish with a pinch of salt and pepper because you're classy like that. Now whisk it like you mean it and there you have it. Pour it, dip it, drizzle it, or just eat it with a spoon when no one's watching. Either that or you can drizzle it over some smoked salmon topped with dill or parsley. Ooh, posh. And now I'm dressing the plate with that sauce, doing little swooshes like I'm plating at Noma or something. Crack some fresh black pepper on the egg too, mostly as a distraction. Because yes, I've just realised something. Switzerland isn't even in NATO. Yep, whole intro's a lie. But it's too late. I've made the Rösti, I've made the voiceover, I've made peace with my shame. So I'm posting this anyway. Enjoy!